So coming to the tip number 4, as you know, you want to calculate the payback period, right? In the suggestions tab, you have to calculate the payback period. So let's see how to calculate that. I have already showed you, but this is a quick rewind to the scene. Okay. So how to calculate that? You're suggesting that you're changing your CFL bulb to LED bulb, right? So that's by energy efficiency. I have already told what is the difference between energy efficiency conservation and that management, right? So what is the investment required? To dispose of CFL bulb and to buy a equivalent LED bulb, you have to at least invest 100 rupees or say 90 rupees. You can get a better LED bulbs these days. So what is the payback period? You have to look that, right? So before that, we'll see what is the wattage of a CFL and a wattage of a LED, right? We'll go through the two one. So let's see. So for a CFL bulb, for a equivalent power output or the light output for a wattage of around 13 or 14 watts would be more than enough for a CFL. And coming to the LED, it can be around 7 to 9 watts. Let's go for 9 watts. Okay. So this many watts is consuming by these two bulbs. So let's see what is the difference between those wattages. Difference in wattage, right? You don't have to do all these things in that tab. You have to just formulate the last equation or the last result equal to this minus this, right? You are saving 5 watts every day, right? So what is the working hours? It can be around 8 hours, right? 8 hours. So what is the energy for that 8 hours with a LED bulb equal to this one into this one. This much watt hour, right? Which is equal to again this by this much kilowatt hour, right? So what is the energy price cost for energy? Back in here in Kerala, it would be around 5 rupees. You can recheck that, okay? So what is the total amount? Total energy saved. Total energy saved in a day. Okay. Sorry for that spelling mistakes. Okay, never mind that. Equal to, you get this one into 5 rupees. Okay, you're saving 0.2 rupees a day. So what is the initial investment? 90 rupees, right? So what is the payback? Equal to this one also rupees, right? This one is equal to 90 divided by 0.2 rupees in a day. So with around 450 days, right? With around 450 days, this LED bulb will be beneficial. From after 450 days, this thing will be in a saving mode, right? So which is equal to this by 365, which is equal to approximately 1.23 years. So with 1.23 years, you will be having the payback. So what's asked in here? It's asked in a month. So you have to convert that into a month. So you can put or you can change the duration. Like here, you can change the duration. It's according to you, no problem. Or let's go with month itself. Okay. So it's around 14 months. This is how you could do it. And remarks, you can say you moved from a CFL bulb 14 watts to a 9 watt LED bulb. So that way you can give the remark. This is how you can do a simple payback. So that's the tip for today. Thank you.